This is only the second time that I've ever been able to do this in my greenhouse as early as January here in central Pennsylvania. Before we go inside and take a look, let me show you how this day started out. This is my compost pile. More about that in maybe another video, but as you can see, I sift the compost pile because it has a lot of stones in it. But here is what I got out of this, and it's January, the first week of January, so nothing's froze up, which is unbelievable here in central Pennsylvania. But I was able to sift that pile and come up with a load of compost, and we'll see here where I take it from here. Now I'm backing it into the greenhouse here, and then I'm going to start unloading it, spreading it out in the greenhouse. There's still a few heads of lettuce growing in the greenhouse, and this is like first week of January. So I just take the buckets and spread them out, and we'll go from there.
This picture of us here, it's just like a rearview mirror right before the crash. Man, I hate this old love song, but I'm the fool who turns it on like it can change the past. I'm not sinking in whiskey, sipping on our history. It's a whole lot worse than that. Since you went away, I got one foot in the grave, somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. Living like this makes dying less scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Well, I said it's not the end, and I swore I'd get you back again, but now I can't believe.
An 85 5-gallon bucket later, here's what we have. I have compost spread throughout the greenhouse, probably about 2-3 inches on the entire planting area of the greenhouse. So I'll either come back and rototill this in, or I might this year just dig it in or plant in it. Try that. Not sure yet, but hopefully we'll be able to plant this at the end of February. Is what we planted last year. Last year was another year I was able to compost this in January, which, as I say, is something I've never been able to do but them 2 years. So we'll be ready for 2024, and we'll see what kind of crop we get in this in 2024. Subscribe to the channel and grow along with us.